Hey, it's John-Marc, and thanks for checking out this latest drawing videos on teaching you how to draw cartoons in 3 easy steps. Well, we're going to be bouncing around to a fun little character, a bunny. So if you like doing cartoon bunnies, this one is going to be a little action, a little jumping in the air. So if you got your pencil and you got some paper, we're ready to begin this fun lesson. All right, let's begin. Here's step 1. And here's step 2. And here's the final third step. Well, I don't know about you, but I'm hopping around with joy at doing that fun lesson. I hope you enjoyed it. What can you take home from learning this lesson? The key thing in sketching, whenever you're sketching, go very light on the paper and multiple times. Don't do one line at a time. Do a whole bunch. Get that whole flow loosely out. As you can see, step 1, really quick. The gestures, the form that I had, it's not tight. It's building it up to get tighter and tighter. So the key thing I wanted to take home from this lesson, as well as all the lessons I've ever taught, is actually how to sketch. And sketching is the key. So start to build up very slow, get a little bit more detail, a little bit more and more. Then the final illustration really stands out really good. And you get that flow with your hand. It's fun. Anyway, so I want to say thanks for checking out this video and have a great day. Don't forget to stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, I'm sure you're going to enjoy our latest drawing book that's now available on our website, How to Draw 50 Cute Cartoons. So make sure you stop at our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. And thanks a lot. Don't forget to visit our website. That's jmg-studio.biz. If you enjoyed this video, maybe you should take a look at our bookstore and download or purchase How to Draw 50 Different Fish.